Okay, good morning children. In the last class, we started exercise 10.1. We have completed almost all 3 problems in 4 problems in exercise 10.1. So I continue the next problem, exercise 10.1. Exercise 10.1. Fifth one takes a lot of time. You try to understand it, listen carefully. You focus on the problem. Okay, you concentrate here. On keeping your phone and don't roam here and there. Okay, till end of this video, you have to watch it carefully. Yes, then only you can understand. Children. Okay, how does the total surface area of a box? Box means it will be cuboidal shape, cuboid shape. So you know the cuboid. The total surface area of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So how does the total surface area of a box change if each dimension is doubled? Okay. Yes, here the first question is, what are the dimensions of the cuboid? Let dimensions, original dimensions, then let dimensions of a cuboid be L, B and H. L means length, B means breadth, H means height. These are the original dimensions. When the original dimensions are LBH, what is TSA? TSA of a box. TSA, total surface area of a box. So box is what? In the shape of cuboid. I am writing in the bracket. So what is the total surface area of cuboid formula? 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. This is when the dimensions are L, B, H, then TSA is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Here, if each dimension is doubled, how does total surface area? If, first question, if each dimension is doubled, each dimension is doubled. So L becomes 2L, B becomes 2B, H means 2H. Each dimension is doubled. Then TSA is equal to formula 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So substitute values. When the L is doubled, L value 2L, B value 2B, BH, B value 2B. H value 2H, L value 2L, H value 2H. When dimensions are doubled, put L is equal to L, B is equal to B, plus B is equal to B, H is equal to H, plus L is equal to L, H is equal to H. Do it. 2 to the 4, 4LB, 2 to the 4, 4BH, 2 to the 4, 4LH. That is important. So each dimension is doubled. What happens? The TSA you are finding. Now 2 into what you got here? 2 into 4LB plus 4BH. 2 already outside is there. Here which is the common? 4 is the common. I take 4 common. 4 into LB plus BH plus LH. So this 4 I write in the beginning. 4 into 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. What becomes the original TSA is what? Original TSA is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. When each dimension is doubled, what becomes 4 times the original? 4 times the original. 4 times the original. So if each dimension is doubled, TSA becomes 4 times the original. 4 times to the original TSA. This is. So each dimension is doubled, the TSA becomes the 4 times to the original dimension. Similarly, each dimension is tripled. Each dimension is tripled. I hope you clearly understood, children. Okay. Now we did original hit. Each dimension double means we substitute there. Now each dimension is tripled now. L is equal to 3L, B is equal to 3B, H is equal to 3H. I erase this. I dimension is tripled and 3 times tripled, then L is equal to 3L, B equal to 3B, H is equal to 3H. Do it. What is the original PSA? PSA of a box. Original box PSA is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Substitute. 2 into LB. L is 3L, B is 3B, B is 3B, H is 3H, L is 3L, H is 3H. 2 into 3 is 9 LB, 9 BH, 9 LH. You take 9 common, 9 into 9 common, LB plus BH plus BH. So, what becomes the original PSA is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. When each dimension is tripled, it is 9 times to the original PSA. So, if each dimension is tripled, then PSA becomes 9 times to the original, 9 times to the original PSA. 9 into, like this, you can do the problem. I hope you clearly understood children. Okay, the fifth question is over. Now I go for the sixth one. Sixth one. Iris. Before sixth one, you need to take some formula. I give prism formula. Prism is the 3D object. Already I told you. Prism. Here itself you write the formula. Prism. What is prism method? The group of things. The group of a sphere, a group of triangles or group of any geometrical objects. Okay. You take the first prism formula in this. Prism. You take the formula LSA. LSA means you know the lateral surface area. LSA of a prism. LSA of prism is equal to formula perimeter of the base. Perimeter of the base into height. What is perimeter of the base? The prism base may be anything. The prism base may be square, it may be rectangle, it may be triangle, it may be parallelogram, it may be quadrilateral. If the base of the prism is rectangle, you need to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle formula is 2 into L by U. If the base of the prism is square, you need to find out the perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square formula 4 into 7. Okay. If the base of the prism is right triangle, so find out the perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle, how you will get sum of all the three sets like that. So you need to find out that shape perimeter, that shape area. So LSA of the prism is perimeter of the base into height. Next, PSA. PSA of prism. PSA of prism is LSA plus 2 into area of the base. 2 into area of the base. PSA of prism formula. PSA of prism is equal to LSA plus 2 into area of the base. Third one, volume of the prism. Volume of prism. volume of prism is equal to area of the base into height. These you need to remember, these three formulae of the prism. Okay. The LSA of prism formula is perimeter of the base into height. The ASA of prism is LSA plus 2 into area of the base. Volume of the prism is equal to area of the base into height. So that now we can do the sixth problem. Now you can understand the sixth problem. Without these formulae, you cannot understand. So that is why I explained about our prism and the formula related to prism is these three: LSA, ASA, and volume. Okay. This is the copy. The copy, we go for next problem. Okay. This question is most important question. This is 4 marks question, children. So 4 marks question. Sixth one, very important question. The base of prism is triangular in shape with sides 3 centimeters, 4 and 5. What is the base of the prism? Triangular shape. The base of the prism is here triangular shape. The base of the prism is this is triangular shape. It is A, B, C. A, B. We have 3 sides. A equal to B equal to C equal. What given? A is equal to 3 centimeters. B equal to 4 centimeters. C is equal to 5 centimeters. Here given all the 3 sides of the triangle. So dimensions of base. Okay, the base of prism triangular shape with sides. So dimensions of the base. Dimensions of the base of prism. That is A is equal to 3 centimeters, B is equal to 4 centimeters, C is equal to 5 centimeters. These all the 3 sides of the prism. Okay. Now find the volume of the prism. Its height is 10. What is the height of the prism? Write down. Height of the prism. Height of the prism is equal to how much given? 10 centimeters given. 10 centimeters. Find the volume of the prism. Just now I told you. Volume of the prism formula, area of the base into height. Volume of the prism formula is area of the base into height. Area of the base means what is the base of the prism is a triangle. You need to find out the area of the triangle. Okay. So volume is equal to formula what? Volume of the prism is equal to area of the base into height. Just highlight this. We need to find out the volume. Here what my question what they asked here? We have to find out the volume of the prism. Volume of the prism formula is what? Area of the base into height. Do you know the height? Yes, it is given. Height of the prism is 10 centimeters given. We have the height. Do you know area of the base? We don't know area of the base. We need to find the area of the base now. Area of the base. What is the base? Triangular shape. Area of the triangle find out. So, area of the triangle. Area of the triangle already you have learned in the 8th class. Skene's principle. That is Heron's principle. This is a scalene triangle. 3 different sides are there. It is a scalene triangle. So, we use the Heron's principle to find the area of the triangle. What is the Heron's principle? Under root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. You need to find out S. What is S? S is the semi-perimeter. S find out. S is equal. S means semi-perimeter. 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 Semi-perimeter is equal. a plus b plus c by 2. Semi-perimeter of the triangle is sum of the three sides by 2. A plus b plus c by 2. What is a? 3, b 4, c 5. By 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 2. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 5 1, 12 by 2, 262. Therefore, s is equal to how much got? 6 centimeters. We got s right. Okay. Now, area of the base. Area of the base. Base is what here? Triangle. Area of the base is equal to formula under root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Formula. This is called Heron's principle. Area of the base. Base means the bracket triangle. Area of the triangle. Area of the base means area of the triangle. That is equal under root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Substitute the values. S value how much got? 6. Root s minus a 6 minus 3. S minus b 6 minus 4. S minus c s minus 6 minus 5. Like this. Right. Now 6 into bracket means into 6 minus 3 3. 6 minus 4 2. 6 minus 5 the root 6 3 18 18 to 36. Square root of 36. What is the square root of 36? 6 6 is 36. The square root of 36 is 6 square centimeters. This is the area. Now we can find out the volume. What is the volume of the prism formula? Area of the base into height. Now volume is equal volume of the prism. Volume of the prism is equal AB into height. AB into what is AB shortcut? The AB means area of the base. Already I have written here. Area of the base. AB means area of the base into height. Area of the base is 6. The height is already given 10. So 6 10 60 cubic centimeters. This is the volume. This is the volume. Sometimes they ask to find out LSA. Here they ask you volume. The volume of the formula is area of the base into height. In this which you don't know, those we did. Here we don't know area of the base, we did. Sometimes they ask LSA. LSA formula is what? LSA of the prism formula is perimeter of the base into height. Perimeter of the base into height. Perimeter of the triangle find out. Perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle, how you get? Sum of the three sides. A plus b plus c. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 5 12. 12 will get. So perimeter of the triangle is how much got? 12 got. 12 centimeters. What is LSA? Perimeter of the base into height. 12 into height is 10. 12 times 20. Like that you can calculate the rest of the values also. Whatever they ask, you will find out. Whichever value is required, those you need to find out. I hope we clearly understand, children. So this is one problems I explained. So for this session it is okay. Now I'll continue the next session. Thank you.